What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Backyard Dad YouTube channel. In today's video, we are asking the question, what is the best secure storage option out there for your truck or SUV? In this case, I've got a 19 Toyota Tundra and a 21 Tundra that I'm working to install a console vault in. Let's flip the camera around, show you what I got going on. All right, guys, so here we got a console vault. This goes into the center console of my 19 Tundra that I have here in the background. I wanted to have something to secure potentially firearms or wallets, money, tools, whatever it may be that I can store in here. So I wanted to kind of show you around it, show you how quick and easy the install is. I think it's going to be pretty simple. Run over here to the truck here. So inside, we've got everything cleaned out. Truck's a mess, but here you can kind of see pretty simple. These trucks have a cover on them. Now, this truck in particular had a console in it before with a key, and I took it out right after I purchased this truck, and we'll kind of talk about that here more in a minute. But in general, here you've got 4 bolts that hold the console in place once you take those mats out. The new kit comes with 1 long bolt, 1 short bolt for short bolt here, long bolt here. Supposedly with this console vault, you can just take it and slide it right in with the existing armrest and everything in place. So let's grab it, see what we can do here. This is solid. I think must be aluminum, steel, not sure. I'll put a comment down below correcting that. Pretty lightweight, feels heavy duty though in terms of its construction quality. Let's see if we can lift it into the space here and show you guys to hold on to things. You can kind of see it kind of slides in. There it is. Sorry for the shaky camera work. Okay, look at that. Slides right in. That opens up. Nice secure fit here too. Man, you don't get much better than that. Kind of got the 2 bolts look like they line up well. Console vault comes with some felt pads. One that's cut to contour to the shape of your box here. Again, this is in a 19 Tundra. I think the models vary. This is just a half box. For other models, makes and models, the console vault, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I paid full price. I don't know anything about this company other than some basic research. They tout themselves as being the original console vault. The one that came with this truck, it was not, the fit and finish was not very good. It rattled around, this lid rattled around, took it out in pretty short order. It also had a key lock, which, if you're carrying keys around, oftentimes you're going to have it obviously on your keychain. Really, to access anything out of there, you were going to have to pull it out of the dash. If you had it on your ignition key, to come and unlock everything. This way, it's a combination lock. They actually make some that are 4 digits. This one's just a 3-digit model. I think they actually have some digital options as well. I'll drop the link in the description so you can kind of do your own research and see what option might work for you. This drops in here like this and kind of covers your bolt holes. Like I said, I like the combination lock because you don't need the key to open it. I can leave the windows open if I wanted to. I could even lock the keys in here if I decided, maybe I was going out for a run or something like that, or a hike, and I didn't want to carry the extra bulk of my keys in my pocket or something. This just gives me some more flexibility, I think. Anyways, guys, this is a short video, but I wanted to kind of highlight what I've got going on here. And, I think this is one of the best options out there. Like I said, the Tundra here is just got a half box here. I think likely because of this cutout for the shifter and then your charge port that the Tundras have. I know some of the other makes and models are full console length and offer maybe a better storage capacity. Again, this one I thought worked well. I keep some bigger storage over here, and then again, some more secured storage on that side. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to kind of drop a quick video in today and just kind of highlight this quick install that we've got going on. Have you guys had experience with this particular brand, or are there others out there that you like? Comment down below. Let us know. I mean, there's some other ones on Amazon. They looked all pretty cheap made to me. This one was the best one that I thought was, again, made in the US, I believe. And again, just a really good fit and finish. It looks factory in my opinion, and I think it's going to really work out well in my Tundra. So like, subscribe, comment. If you enjoy the Toyota truck content, check out some of my other videos. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.